Now let's talk about the sketching. You can take a pencil and try to draw different kind of forms, like something like this, things like this. You can try to draw a hat. You will see that the doodle art is composed with very simple forms, but you have to know some basic of drawings to make these simple forms looking like something. Otherwise, if you try to draw a hat and it looks like to anything else than a hat, it's going to be quite difficult to create an efficient doodle. So you can first draw some very simple forms: a palm, a hand, some stuff like that. And when you feel comfortable with drawing forms, which is something that can be done every day, like you just take your paper, some paper, and you do 10 minutes of drawing anything, just forms without any meanings, and it will give you the habit to use a paper and a pen and to draw much more easier, to be more comfortable with your tools. You can also draw like water, splash, and so on. You can of course take some models on internet and try to copy some doodle that already exists, and everything is good to train yourself to draw. So when you are comfortable with drawing your sketches and or you are done with some few minutes of training, then we can start with our first character. It's going to be a character that will start with this sketch. So we are first drawing the sketch. Okay, so we draw this, and then we draw 2 points. Make sure you have the distance between these 2 points. It will give a kind of funny character to your guy here. And then you can just draw a smile. You can add this, but don't add too much realistic details. Then you draw something like this, and we can add a tongue, like doing this. Then he will wear a kind of mask. He has a mask. And from here, you can use your black pen and draw the outlines carefully. Try to respect as much as possible your sketch. You can see here the mistake, but I'm using a graphic software where I can erase very easily, so it's not a problem. What is efficient when you try to draw doodle is the clarity of the lines. More your lines are clear, more this is efficient. Okay, I decrease the size too much. Okay, and then I'm filling this with the black. Alright, and I can complete the mask. And if I hide the sketch, we have a double character. Very simple. But there is still something that makes the character much more interesting. It's when you add couple of hatchings, you will see that plenty of doodle characters have such details. This is nothing, but this is all because it just gives the final touch of your drawing. And if you want to go a bit further, you can add a shadow and add additional lines here. Yes, he's floating. And if you really want to complete your illustration, you can add some gray to that point. It could be done with a pencil or brush or whatever, if you're working with some normal stuff. So I'm drawing the shadow, and the shadow is going to be here and the light is going to be here. So I can add a shadow like this. And here we are. And you have your doodle guy here. Maybe we can also add some shadows like this. And maybe here, but not too much, otherwise you are going to fall into the drawing of a much more complex character, like what you find in comic book or animated movies. So it's not that complex that your doodle needs to be. So alright, it was our first model, so you can already train yourself by drawing this one with computer stuff or with normal stuff. Don't worry about that. Try just to reproduce this line and you will be done with your first doodle character.